Numbers up to 200. Children, in this module, let us study about the numbers from 100 to 200. Let us learn about these numbers using some tasty laddus. Before moving further, let us first learn these facts. This is a single laddu. We can call it ones. These are 10 laddus. We can call it tens. Or we can say 10 ones equal to 110. These are 100 laddus. We can call it 100. Or we can say that 10 tens is equal to 100. Now, let us first place 100 laddus as shown. To represent these, we write 1 at the hundreds place and 0 at the tens and ones place. Now let us build the numbers. If one more laddu is added to it, we will place 1 at the ones place. It will become 101 as shown. Hence, the number will be 101. We call it as 101. Now, if 20 more laddus are added to it, since there is only 2 tens added, we will place 2 at the tens place and 0 at the ones place. It will become 120 as shown. Hence, the number will be 120, or we call it as 120. Now in this case, we add 65 laddus to it. Since 6 tens are added and 5 ones are added, we will add 6 to the tens digit and 5 to ones digit. So, it will become 165, or we call it as 165. Or, in case we add 80 laddus to it, since here 8 tens are added and 0 ones are added, we will add 8 to tens digit and 0 to ones digit. So it will become 180, or we will call it as 180. Now in this case, we need to add 100 more laddus. Since 100 is added, we will be adding 1 to the hundreds digit of the number and 0 to both tens and ones digits. Hence the number will become 200. We call it as 200. So children, this is how we build up numbers up to 200. Children, we must remember that while reading 3-digit numbers, we should first read the hundreds place and then read the last 2 digits together. For example, to read this number, we would say 142. Or in this case, we will say 132. Or in this case, we will say 109.